How do you get that out of there? Usually there's a little finger right here. And there is not a little finger. Little finger to tap on, because they always get hung up on your Kickstarter shaft. It's hanging up right here on this rusty collar. Save me well, there it is. Thought I'd loosen these up before I pulled the motor. Got some of them. That one's loose. What's this piston and cylinder gonna look like? I've often wondered. You ready? Nice, a little pitting, but pretty nice. Ready to have a look? Try to zoom you in here. Can't really see much. That's all I got. Think we can get this cylinder off? How's your view? I thought I loosened all these, but I could be wrong. That one is... All right. It's got to go bigger. All right. And again, I've already put 2 cans on the entire bike, just about. So I'm not lubing as I go. I've already heavily lubed. Clear, clear, clear. Wow. That's nice in there. That ain't coming out of there. There we go. All right. It's alive. It's not really alive, but it will be. Get you in the shot here. It's a mouse condo with a cylinder. It is a mouse condo. Crank's probably still fine though. Yeah, right. Oh yeah. You gotta be careful, you don't want to scratch the cylinder. Oh, there it is. The nucleus. What we've all been waiting for. That's the worst crank I've ever seen in my life. It's magically delicious. Can you even see? Move your oh no. You can't see the pistons in the way. What do you think? A little Marvel mystery overnight and we should be riding it for the spring. Oh, splitting these cases. Alright. It's gonna do it for the fun. I just wanted to see what we were up against here. I can't really tell, but I don't think that cylinder actually looks that bad. I bet you it's a stock bore, so this is still gonna be good, which is, I hope. Well, we'll wait and see on that.
Ew.
Well, there's what we're working with. Nice job, Josh.
Thank you.
So we're gonna go ahead and get the rest of this, if we can find the jets, get the rest of this disassembled. go, Einstein. See how well the axle plays. Don't break that. Oh yeah, she's still seized in there. Fantastic. Don't hit this so hard that you end up sticking, burying your wedge in there. Luckily she's coming out. There she is. Not as bad as I thought. Not as bad as I thought. Looking good. Pretty happy with that. Rotor, not so much. Forks have the patina DLC. Oh God, going for them. I'll get back to that one. All right, gonna have to give this one the old steroid jerk, I guess. There you go. Steering stem bearings, there you go. This thing's set up for some high speed. No head shake on this bike, huh? Guess I didn't loosen those. All right. This one's gonna be fun. Scrape that rust right off of there. Might have to pound this one through. Somebody give me a hand. Grab the top clamp and I'll do the bottom. There we go. Oh yeah. Come on. Try a little hip action. A little body action. Well, that actually works. Get in there. There we go. Just gotta put your hip in it. Nice. If you guys ever have that where, you know, your upper's really crusty like that, just try that. That works well. All right, she's out. We'll send that right off to Pro Circuit. Whoop! You're gonna have to buff that out. So I did pick up a lot of parts for the project. Linkage bearings, clutch cable, carb hoses, voice and reeds, 2-in air filter, wheel bearings, fork seals, crank bearings and seals. We got chain rollers, front and rear master cylinder rebuild kit. What else do we have? Doesn't sound like much, does it? Wow. I thought I had a lot more. It sure feels like I ordered a lot more. You might have saw the other seat we got. I got a couple seats over there, a couple nice seats. extra plastics. I haven't opened the swing arm I ordered online, but the parts are rolling in. How's she move up and down? Pretty good?
No.
Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for me and Josh. I'm going to head home, get him warmed up. Thank you for all the comments, the support, the likes. Can't say thank you enough. I really appreciate it. We're going to see you guys soon. Have a great weekend. Take care, guys. Give him the thumbs up.